Good morning, all the students of 7th standard. We are learning second lessons of the geographies. This is the last point. So, page number 7, eclipse and astronomical events. Solar eclipse or lunar eclipse is just an astronomical event. Solar eclipse or the lunar eclipse. These events are just astronomical events are there. There is nothing auspicious or inauspicious about these events. There is no any special things are there. There is no any auspicious or inauspicious moment or the incident behind these things that. But we give more importance for this in our society, in our science that in our day-to-day life more importance is there for the eclipses. But if we say that by the scientific way there is no any special incident is there. It is just a result of the sun, the earth and the moon being in a specific position. This incident occur only the sun, moon and the earth, they are coming to the specific one positions. There is a lot of curiosity about eclipse because an eclipse is not a regular occurrence there. Lot of curiosity is there about the eclipse, and if you see that eclipse does not occur regularly on the regular interval, it's occurs sometime there, occasionally it's occur that. So when the sun, the earth and the moon they are coming in one line, that time only eclipse occur. For the scientists working in the field of astronomy, eclipse and particularly total or annular solar eclipse present a great opportunities for the study. Those who are the scientists, astronomers are there. For them, it is a big opportunity to study that. It is a best opportunity when a total annular or the solar eclipse occur. That time they will get the chance to study the situations, condition of the our Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. Scientists from all over the world make a point to visit the location where such events are going to occur. Those were the scientists, astronomers. They always visit to the places from where they can see that total or annular solar eclipse they get to see. They carry out elaborate studies of eclipses conditions. From there, they study the condition of eclipses. During the period of the solar eclipse, a large number of birds and animals get confused due to the untimely darkness that sits in that. Whenever the eclipse occur at the time, animals or the birds they are in the confusions, untimely darkness because during the daytime also we can feel the darkness. So birds, animals they get confused. This is an event that does not suit their biological clock. This incident or this event does not suit the biological clock time or the daytime, because in during the time daytime only, in middle only darkness occurs. Their response to the event is also unusual response, and the event also not same there. Try to observe the responses of the birds and animals at the same time such events and record their observations. The changes of their behaviors we can observe that. While observing a solar eclipse, it is necessary to view the sun disk through a dark glasses or special glasses made for the purpose. When we are observing to the sun, that time we have to use the dark glass or the special glass we have to use to see for the sun. Otherwise, the intense light of the sun can be harmful to our naked eyes. That if we see the sun without using any protections, it will be harmful. Accumulations and transit. Like eclipses, some other specific conditions occur with reference to the sun or the moon. Another conditions also occur. They are called accumulations and transits respectively. To that positions we can call as a transit or accumulations. Accumulations occur with the reference to the moon, whereas the transit is associated with the sun. Differences is there. Accumulations occurs with the reference to the moon, and whereas this transit situation it's occur with the sun. This is the difference between the accumulation and the transit. That transit it is related with the sun and accumulation is related with the moon. Accumulations now, this is a typical event occur in a space. Typical event it is this, and this event occur in a space. The moon revolve around the earth. When does it occur? That when the moon is revolving around the earth, while doing so it obscure a star or a planet, and that celestial body appears to hide behind the moon. It will be while revolving it will be obscure that celestial body, star or the moon, that it will be hide behind the moon. that bodies, stars or planets are there, that stars or the planets, they, that celestial body, it will be hide there behind the moon. This is called a accumulation. That, so for example, moon is revolving around the earth, and while revolving, if the moon came in front of any star or any planet, that time that planet or the star we cannot see, means scientists they cannot see that. To that situation they call as accumulations. This is called accumulations. The total solar eclipse is actually a kind of accumulation. Solar eclipse is also one kind of accumulation is here. During this, the sun disk gets hidden completely because of the moon. Into the solar eclipse, what is there? Sun disk is there, sun is there, that sun will be hide behind the moon. To that we can call as accumulations. Transit now. Accumulation, it is related with the moon. Now transit related with the sun. If an inner planet like a Mercury or Venus comes between the line of the earth and the sun, that time transit occur. Other planet, Venus, Mercury, if these planets they came in middle of the sun and in earth, that time this transit situation occur of the earth. At that time a small dot appears to move across the sun disk. At that time we can see that small one dot is moving across the sun, because sun is the biggest star there, and Venus, Mercury also they are small, and if they came in middle that between the sun and earth, that time these planets, Mercury or Venus, they look like that when they are passing from the sun through front of the suns. That time they we feel that a small dark dot is something is there, that we see on the sun disk. This transit is type of a solar eclipse. So this is also one called, it is called as a solar eclipse there. So in this way this lesson we have completed. Revise it. This homework I will give upload. Okay.